Hello everyone, this is Shankar. In this video, I will explain about factory method design pattern. It is the one of the design pattern in Gange 4. These Gange 4 design patterns are divided into three categories. So, like creational design patterns, structural design patterns, behavioral design patterns. This particular factory method design pattern belonging to creational design pattern. So in this video I am taking example like a animal. So animal types of animals like dog, cat. This example. So let's get started. Development. So let's create a one package like factory. So inside first I will add some bullet points, some 2 points. For that I will take like node.txt, some text file, some nodes. So gang of 4 design design patterns are classified into three categories. Three categories, right? What are those? What are those? So those are creational, creational, structural, creational, structural. Third one, behavioral, behavioral, behavioral. So creational, structural, creational, structural. So creational, structural, and behavioral. Right? These are the three categories. So this particular factory method design pattern belonging to creational design pattern. So factory factory method design pattern. It is belonging to creational design pattern. The the factory the factory method is a creational design pattern is a creational design pattern that provides a way to create objects without without explicitly without explicitly specifying specifying their exact type or class, specifying their exact class, explicitly specifying their class ex pli ciple. So these are the bullet points about factory method design pattern. I will read this, then I will create a one sample example. Gang of 4 design patterns are classified into three categories: creational, structural, behavioral. So factory method design pattern, this design pattern belonging to creational design pattern. So the factory method is a creational design pattern that provides a way to create objects without explicitly specifying class, their exact classes, their exact classes, right? So let's create now one interface. So file new interface. Suppose animal, animal. So it is a animal interface. So animal, all animals. Tell me the one common up like behavior, like sound. assume like a sound. Every animal will do some sound, right? Suppose make sound or some food. Every animal will eat food, right? Like that. So every animal make a sound. This is the animal. So now create implementation. Assume this is the dog. So tell me how dog will sound dog. This is the interface we need to implement. Animal. Animal is a interface. So finish. Suppose just I will add some system dot out dot println here. Like dog will do like bow bow, right? So bow like this I'm adding. Take another class like this time cat. Cat. How cat make a sound? Tell me. Finish. Cat will moo moo meow meow, right? Cat will do sound like meow meow meow, right? So like that add some sound like this meow meow meow. Some sound will be do cat. So this is the done, right? So let's create a another class for factory method. Like create a new class for the factory class animal factory. So I am creating this example easy way to understand. There is no complex kind of. So for this everyone can understand. So I'm making a every video like everyone easily understand. There is a much more complex. So now public. So we are created one interface, right? Animal. Animal. Suppose I create animal. So here we need to pass animal type. String is fine. Animal type. So return as of now return type is null. So suppose if dog dot equal case animal type, then what I am saying return new dog. So brackets is optional. So else return new cat. If any another animal is there, we need to just if else we need to use if else, right? If else we need to use more than this is the two, right? If three if else we need to use. So return null. So if and if else you can mention like this. If this is the if, it is the else. Suppose it is a cat. If it is a cat, so it will be this cat implementation will be picked up. If you want, you can also add brackets. This is optional, but if you want, you can add it. So like this, character control shift F control S. So this is the animal factory. So let's create a client class. So suppose test client, test client, test client have main method, right? Test client have main method. Let's create object for animal factory. Animal factory. Animal factory equal to new animal factory. After that, animal factory dot method will be there that create animal. Suppose I am passing dog type. This method what it will return animal. We now write this return dog animal. So after that dog dot make sound. So same like these two. Suppose this time cat. See here definition once in node. So factory method design pattern. So the factory method is a creational design pattern that provides a way to create objects without explicitly specifying their exact classes. So here we are not specifying right any exact class. Here we are not specifying exact class like package name dot class like that we are not specifying. Just animal type we are specifying based on that. So it will goes to the factory. Inside factory it will picking up the implementation class. So let's test control S. So it will print two sysouts system dot out dot println. It will print the this. This is for the dog. Bow bow. Cat. Meow meow. Like that. I'm uncommenting one. See, I'm cat uncommented. Now bow bow. Like that. So in this video, we have successfully understand factory method design pattern in simple example. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.